Hola everyone, my name is Lisa and welcome to the channel EStyle Real Estate. We specialize in real estate on Costa Blanca, rentals, sales properties and investment opportunities. You can find more details by clicking the link below the video. And today I'm going to show you a villa with 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, living area, kitchen, terrace, swimming pool and solarium, and everything with modern renovation. And now I will show you the swimming pool. This swimming pool not so big, but it's so convenient and important things for the Spain. Because if you don't want to see a lot of people on the beach, you can just stay here, drink your Spanish cover and just relax. And so good thing, if you like extreme and adrenaline, you can just open this window and jump to the swimming pool. And now we are already in our villa. This villa has 2 floors and now we are on the first floor. And to be honest, I really like this modern renovation. It's the house of my dream. And you can see that this villa is so spacious and so bright. And on the first floor you can see already 3 windows. And the most important thing in this villa is electric shutters. Near the entrance you will have the intercom with a video and also the alarm. On the first floor you have living room, dining area, kitchen, bedroom and also bathroom. And now we are already on the kitchen of our villa. This kitchen is so spacious and the owner of this villa already made for me some coffee from this coffee machine that you will have. And to be honest, the coffee is so tasty. And now let's take a look on this kitchen. Here you can see the hood, the flame and the oven, the microwave and the coffee machine as I told you before. And also you will have dishwasher, it's so convenient. And the fridge. And a lot of space for make some food and a lot of space for your dishes. In the kitchen you will have access to the boiler and washing machine. And this boiler is so big and the owner tell me you can take a shower 5 times and every time you will have hot water. And this boiler approximately like my height. My height is 161. From the kitchen you will have entrance to the terrace. And as I tell you before, here you have washing machine. And on the terrace you can leave your wet clothes and so fast it will be dry because in Spain it's more than 360 sunny days. Near the kitchen you have bathroom and bedroom. Let's start from the bedroom. This bedroom will be perfect if you will invite here your guests. This room has built-in wardrobe and also plugs for the TV. And now we will go on the second floor and just look at these stairs. To be honest, this stairs is like my dream. Just look at this glass. Go. And now we are finally on the second floor. On the second floor you will find 2 bedrooms with 2 bathrooms and 2 entrances to the solarium. The first one is separate and the second one from the bedroom. And now we are going to the first bedroom on the first floor. This bedroom has built-in wardrobe, bathroom and also your own small balcony. And you can see that this bedroom so spacious and bright. And just look at the style of this floor. It's so modern. And now we're in the second bedroom on the second floor. This bedroom also has access to the bathroom and entrance to the solarium. And this bedroom also has 2 built-in wardrobes. And you can see that it's more bright. And just look at the style of this bathroom and this shower. This shower feels like massage and you will feel water on all of the body. I think you know that Spain is so warm country and the most important thing when you buy a house is access to the AC. And here is, you will have it in the ceilings. Let's take a look on the solarium. This solarium is so spacious. Here you can do sunbathing, do some sport, you have dining area, and also here you have already plug. So here you can make something like kitchen and live here barbecue. You can see that here is built 2 new villas, but it will finish in the end of July. Just imagine, you sit here like me in a shadow under the tent, drink your morning coffee, eat your morning Spanish tostada, go to sunbathing, go to the swimming pool, and just breathe in the Mediterranean breeze. I think it's perfect. And here you will have so beautiful views on another apartments and the main thing, on a pink lake. Everything here is nearby. Just 5 minutes in a car and you will find everything. Hospital, school, pharmacy, bars and the big shopping center Habaneras. This villa is perfect space for the permanent living and for the families with children, because here you have everything. The school is nearby, it's for children, and the swimming pool for parents. It's just here. And the most thing, this area is so quiet. Thank you for watching. I'm waiting for your opinion in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe on our channel. Have a good day. Bye bye.